We're at HMCS Nonsuch in Edmonton on Kingsway Avenue, and today we are hosting a career fair for our civilian friends. It's a career fair, open house. We're getting people out here to join the Navy and to see what the Navy does. We have several stations set up here today, exemplifying the trades that we have in the Naval Reserve. So we have everything from cooks, to supply techs, to divers and bosuns. And in fact, today in our dive tank, we have a Zodiac floating there so that our bosuns can demonstrate how they do a rescue at sea for a man in the water. And our bosuns are also showing weapons. All sorts of fantastic things here today that our civilian guests get to see and expose the Navy to Edmontonians and Canadians.
Today I'm part of the open house job fair, career job fair here at the Navy. My job here today is introduce about HRA, what we do here, and also to tell people about my basic training, how I finished my recruiting process as well, my experience here as well.
We were able to showcase all the trades of the Royal Canadian Navy and give the people of Edmonton that came in the chance to experience what Navy life could be for them. The Navy bus has been located here today at HMCS Nonsuch for their job fair. It had comprehensive videos on board to show the different jobs, Navy life videos. Today had a lot of guests interacting with the crew of HMCS Nonsuch to learn more about what the Navy can give. The buses are the Navy's outreach tool because in the prairies and most parts of Canada, we can't get ships in those areas. So the buses make a direct impact for people to understand that Canada has a great Navy and a rich naval history.